Good morning, guys. I just want to do a very quick video. We've had some problems with this gas log set, probably like many people. Every year it seems like there's some kind of problem. We let the pilot light run. We still have a problem every year. And I pulled a piece out. I'll show you where it goes here in just a minute. But you can see the soot build up on this. So I'm going to clean that and I'll show you where it goes. But there's also something else I'm going to clean. I'm just going to use some regular sandpaper and clean that tip off. Now, let me see. I'm going to put the flashlight in one hand. Let's see if we can get you right in here. That piece there. Oh boy. Okay, let's see. Hey, that might work. The piece I just showed you rides in that cradle right there. I just pulled it off to get access underneath, to clean everything. That piece underneath, that piece right there, probably has a cobweb in it. And the thermocouple hooks to that piece. It's actually kind of red. You can see a little bit of red. So I'm going to get myself a paper clip. And I'm going to go all around inside that chamber right there. All around inside of that. I'm going to clean the end of it the best I can. And then I have some canned air. And I'm going to blow it out. Put it back together. And the fireplace will take off. This thing attracts a lot of dust. I mean, we have a clean house, but this thing has dust all over it. You can see it. See how all that dust in there? So I'm going to vacuum that too. But it just collects during the summer, and if you'll do that with your gas log set, I think you'll get it going. So good luck, and thank you for tuning in.